Hey guys, and the news that we all were waiting for is finally here. Previously, we heard that Galaxy S9 family will get revealed at MWC. It was a rumor-based thing, but now it is official. Yes, it's officially confirmed by Samsung themselves that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will get announced at MWC 2018 live in Barcelona. And your boy is going to be there to experience the beast firsthand and give you guys the best content. We recently crossed 700,000 subscribers on this channel, and I want to say thank you so much to everyone. You guys are the best. You guys are my true motivation. Hopefully we'll hit 1 million this year. Alright, back to the topic. The Galaxy S9 family is getting announced at MWC. This is it, guys. It's now just a month away. This time, Samsung certainly did a great job with the leaks. I mean, so far, we don't have any live leaks of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus apart from this high-quality clones that are showing us how the actual real thing will look. But of course, the front of these clones are pretty bad. Obviously, it's not actually the real thing. So at CES 2018, Samsung announced a lot of different things other than smartphones. They want to build an ecosystem like Apple. So for that, they have their Bixby voice assistant integrated in different things such as televisions and some home appliances. So all their 2018 TVs will have support for Bixby for easy setup, asking for different commands such as weather, playing a song, etc. The world's first ever modular TV called the Wall was also announced, and it lets you configure your television to whatever size you want. It's having a micro LED technology. It's beyond amazing. I mean, they showed the 146-inch version of it, and it looked gigantic. There are a lot of cool things from Samsung. I mean, it is such a big company. They work so hard, so many different things. But as a smartphone guy, I am more excited for the MWC. Now, I'll be recapping everything we know about the new improved Beast. I've been covering up everything from the start on the channel. If you missed it, it doesn't matter. Here's everything you need to know about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Alright, first comes the design. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus both are having the glass back and metal on the sides. The button configurations are still the same as before. The headphone jack is also there, which is amazing. There are 4 main things that you will notice different on the S9 and S9 Plus compared to the last year's generation. So first is the bottom bezel. It is thinner than before. It's not going to be that noticeable. But if you put it side by side with the Galaxy S8, you'll see that it does look thinner than before. Hence, we call it the Infinity Design 2.0. Both S9 and S9 Plus will have this design change. The other change is with the speaker. The S9 is the first phone from Samsung to have dual AKG tuned stereo speakers. Now, compared to the last year's Galaxy S8, not only the speaker is bigger, but it's also wider with support for Dolby Atmos, so that the sound will be tuned to have a more richer, experience, and it's going to be more immersive. The third change is perhaps a much needed change, and it's the fingerprint scanner position. It's now below the camera with a slight space in between for that easy access. So you'll be able to unlock your phone by just placing the finger on the back without smudging the camera. The fourth change you'll notice is with the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's now rocking dual cameras. It's the first ever Galaxy S series phone to have dual cameras on the back, while the normal S9, the base model, the smaller model, is going to rock only one camera. So that was all about the design. Next comes the display. So the resolution has remained the same, as well as the screen size. So 5.8 inch on the Galaxy S9, 6.2 inch on S9 Plus, although it is expected that the displays will be brighter and more accurate with color reproduction than the Galaxy S8 family. Under the hood, the Galaxy S9 Plus has 6GB of RAM, while the S9 has 4GB. Both will have base storage of 64GB with the support for micro SD card, up to 256GB. The CPUs we have is Snapdragon 845/Exynos 9810. It depends on which market you live. Both processors are pretty capable with full support for 3D facial scanning and advanced face detection. Then we have the cameras. It is still unknown how many megapixels will be there, but it is expected to be the biggest camera change since the Galaxy S7. If you guys remember, with S8, it was all about the design. Samsung focused on that had, and the camera was pretty much left the same as the S7. I mean, the sensor was new, but it was the same as the S7. But this time, as we know, the design is not that changed, and it's all about making the improvements in other much needed categories, especially the camera, in order to compete with the likes of Google Pixel 2 camera. The camera is reimagined. The Galaxy S9 will have f1.5 aperture, while the S9 Plus is said to have a f1.4 aperture, which is an insane jump from the f1.7 of the Galaxy S8 family, and it's setting a standard like no one has that level of aperture right now. It's going to take the camera low light game to a whole new freaking level. Other than that, the 4K video recording at 60 frames per second sport will be there for the first time. Along with that, 900 frames per second slow-mo video like the Sony phones is also expected. The security features are also improved. We have a better fingerprint scanner position. The 3D facial scanner is also there. It's more secure than the 2D one on the Galaxy S8. And also there is a 3 megapixel iris sensor for improved iris scanning. The battery on the Galaxy S9 is said to be 3200 mAh, while the S9 Plus will have a 3600 mAh cell. So yeah, that's all we have with the S9 and S9 Plus. They are faster, great with sound, bigger battery size. There is a huge improvement coming to the camera, and we have a better fingerprint scanner solution, as well as a better facial/iris solution compared to the last generation. So you're getting upgrades everywhere in the price as well. So buckle up, prepare them kidneys, cause the S9 Plus is expected to start at $1,000. I mean, the Note 8 was a $1,000 Android phone, so the S9 Plus is expected to be at that same price as well. While the Galaxy S9, it will probably cost $850 because it's not having the dual cameras, it's not having more RAM. You're also missing out on the bigger size and the bigger battery. So it seems like $850 is the right price for the Galaxy S9. But yeah, we have yet to see any information about pricing, but this is what I think, and this is all the new stuff we have with the S9 and S9 Plus. Like I said, I'll be at MWC. I'm super excited for that. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus? Will you be upgrading, or are you going to skip on this and wait for the Note 9, because the Galaxy Note 9 is indeed coming with the in-display fingerprint scanner? I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.